guys, happy Sunday. I'm so excited. Today's Sunday. I have so much to do today. So I went to the gym, I had my coffee, I had breakfast. It's like a little bit late in the day. It's 12:50, so I'm just gonna tidy up my house real quick, then I'm gonna go take Instagram pics. So definitely follow me on there so you can see them. I'll leave the link somewhere on the screen. But yeah, so I'm gonna tidy up the house, get things done, and then I'm gonna go take pics. I'm gonna take you guys along to see a little bit behind the scenes of how I take my Instagram pics. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna do some cleaning, so let's clean away. Okay, so I'm trying to think of where to put you guys so you can see all of the things I'm doing. Trying to make sure you get like a good angle. Whoops. Trying to move everything. Okay, I think that's great. Cool. Alright guys, camera was moved just a tad. Okay. Okay, I think we're good there. Whoa! Sorry, my cutie patootie dog was knocked me over. It was knocked me over. Okay. I'm gonna clean. This is just like a morning sweat. These are for secret stuff, and then just like a regular shirt that I just had. Okay, I'm gonna get to cleaning. Let's go.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
Hi guys, okay, so I just vacuumed my entire house. I just want to tell you guys really quick about that vacuum. It's literally like 19-20 bucks from Walmart, and it is so good. It's like detachable, so you can turn it into like a handheld one, and then like a big one for like vacuuming everything, and then it has like a long stick in case you want to reach up like at higher places. But it's so good, definitely worth the $19. If I find it, I'll link it down in the description bar. But yeah, definitely check it out, especially if you're in an apartment and don't want to really invest in like a $400 vacuum. That one is super good. So yeah, I have it linked for you guys below. Now I'm gonna clean my kitchen. I'm gonna try to see where I can set you guys so you can see everything I'm doing. Hopefully you can see everything. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna get cleaning.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could gain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out.
Hi guys, okay, so I'm on my way to the first location for pics. I have my first outfit on. So I'm gonna try to capture some video of, you know, behind the scenes, but we'll see when I get there. Hi guys, okay, just got done shooting all the looks. I'm in my last outfit because I'm not gonna change my first because it's a lot of changing, especially in the car. So now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go make some lunch.
We're going to the dog park.
Right now?
Yes.
Okay, just kidding. We're going to the dog park. Then we're gonna make lunch and then laundry, and yeah. So I'll take you guys. You can see my little pups in the dog park. It's gonna be so fun. They're so cute. All right, so see you there. Okay guys, we're done with the doggy park. The boys had such a good time. It was so much fun. It was really nice out today. So while we were there, Steve ordered us Pizza Hut. What did you get? The stuffed crust?
Yes.
So good. With marinara sauce, of course. Oh wait, did you get the cinnamon things?
Yes.
And he got, what is it? Cinnamon what?
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll. So we're gonna have a really good late lunch, early dinner, which we're very excited about. We had a really good, productive weekend, so that is our treat. So yeah, once we go home, I will show you what everything looks like, and yeah, see you at home. Hi guys, so I totally forgot to vlog that we are eating pizza. Oh my god, super good. It's stuffed crust and just plain cheese. Really good. I'm gonna eat this up and I'm gonna do laundry. So I'll keep you guys posted. Guys, look at this goodness. Oh my goodness, so excited. These are like the Cinna what? Just Cinnabuns from Pizza Hut. So good. Hey guys, so I just finished eating. Now I'm going to relax for a little bit. I'm gonna watch The Vampire Diaries. I watched it like when it was live all those years ago on TV. That was like my high school and college TV show. So now I'm just like rewatching it, and what season am I on? Season 5. So I'm just rewatching this just to kind of like, you know, let the time pass, relax, unwind. Then I'm gonna do laundry, edit a video. Actually, I think I'm gonna edit this video. And then, yeah, get ready for bed. But yeah, that's all I have going on right now. Just gonna relax, take it easy. Just ate a lot of pizza. So yeah. All right, guys. See you in the next clip. Hi, guys. So it is so late in the day. It is 9:30. We were just like hanging out, watching, you know, TV like on our phones, just like winding down. But yeah, I'm just gonna go get ready for bed. I'm gonna make a quick salad for tomorrow's lunch, And yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. So I wanted to hop on here and just say goodnight, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.